2017 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Beautiful truck. Still got factory converters there, some big boys. Man, it's got a massive third converter. It's got shorty headers. If you guys can see them up there, somebody else installed them. So this should sound a little bit better. And then it's got 3.5-inch pipe all the way. And we put two DYNOMAX bullets back to back, 3.5-inch each. And then a 3-inch pipe out the back into 3.5-inch tailpipe. It's gonna sound absolutely massive. Beautiful truck. There's that big muffler that we cut off. We don't like mufflers here. We always like to cut them off and make it loud. Let you guys hear it in a second. The 15 GMC Sierra 1500 all-terrain edition. Got a lift kit, nice mud tires on it, all-terrains. What's got on it? It's still got the stock converters there and there, and then a third one there. And then what we did on it is we put a 2.5-inch to 2.25 tailpipes, wide pipe setup right there. There's the tailpipes. Cut tips out the back. Right there, right there. That's how you get them dualed out. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy's. What size motor? 6.0. HD 2500. That's perfect. That's a new design. I like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Again? Sound decibels, go ahead. It's about 96, 98, that's perfect. That's right where you want it. Oh, and you hear it, dub, 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 dub. I like it. I'm glad we went with the double, not the single. If you guys want the link to the DYNOMAX bullets, they'll be in the description. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Appreciate it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Black tips, you tuck them up. You tuck them up all the time, makes it look a lot better, a lot cleaner. All you see is the tip, no pipe. It's a really clean design. Let you guys hear it on the inside.